to share with you another dish that I like since I was young, but this time I will prepare it. There are ingredients that I don't like, so I put it away and make a little bit different, so I hope you will like it. Now for the ingredients: potatoes chopped, carrots chopped, 500 grams ground beef, onions, basilicum, garlic, half glass of water, but maybe we will not be using it all, it depends. Soy sauce, this one oregano, olive oil, and pepper. Now let's start. First, make the pan hot, and then put a very little olive oil. Spread it. Then put the garlic and the onion. I want them together because I don't want them to be overcooked also. Make them, fry them. Make them a little bit, you will see a little bit frying, and then put the carrots and the potatoes. Well, the way I know how to cook this, they put raisins, but me, I don't like raisins. I really like carrots because it have a sweet taste. The sugar taste of carrots is enough for me to make this dish a really nice one. So let it cook. Now you will see it is already a little bit fried. So we have to put the ground beef. Spread it so it mixed properly. You know, before I put a little bit water, I have to fry everything because it has a very good effect of the taste. Now, as you can see, if you see that ground beef is cooked already, don't overcook it. Just make sure that it is cooked. Now, when it is cooked, you can put a little bit water, because usually Picadillo have a little bit soup, but it's not a soup. It's only with a sauce. And then you put a little bit of soy sauce, because this one is, I don't like fish sauce. Better with the soy sauce for me to make it a little bit salty Not too much salty, but enough. And then I'll put some pepper. This one to make a little bit touch of spicy. You know me, I'm a person who don't like spicy things, but a little bit I can. Yeah. So make sure to mix it well. And let it a little bit boil for a while, around 1 to 2 minutes. Now after 1 to 2 minutes of frying, yeah, with the water, now we can put some oregano. This one really makes it a little bit tasty with the spicy, you know. It depends on you. You can put more or less. And then basilico, because this one will really make it really different, very tasty and healthy. Mix it. I put it last so it will not be overcooked, the herbs, because for me, I need to the aroma, I need to make them not to overcook them, the spices. Okay, I think that's it.